somebody who loves me.
Hey guys, it is Rampage here, bringing you Abstract Pubstomping's first ever recruitment challenge. So the main requirements is to have hashtag AbstractRC in every single one of your submissions. So this could be designs on Twitter, Pubstomping gameplays on YouTube. If you're streaming on Twitch and trying to join as a streamer, I would advise you to at us on Twitter so that we can actually watch your stream. So now to get onto the commentators. So the requirements for commentators is to be able to commentate at least once a week. They need to be confident, so that means don't stutter, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Be enthusiastic. This means try to entertain the people that are actually watching. Try keep them watching you for the longest period of time. Good mic quality. So this means basically don't talk through a potato. Actually talk through a mic that sounds decent and is soothing to listen to. And the last requirement is to be able to commentate for short and long periods. This basically means, so if we had a quick gameplay, for example 60-second deatomizer strike, you will be able to commentate that for a short distance. And if we had a 6-minute double deatomizer, you should be able to commentate that as well. So that is it for the commentators. Now on to the streamers. So, the streamers. The requirements for streamers, they need to be able to stream at least an hour a week, either on Twitch or YouTube. They must be able to interact with the stream. By this I mean, if someone's talking in the chat, you don't just ignore them, you actually respond to them and keep the stream entertaining. Must be good at COD. This isn't the most important, but this is obviously still important. What I mean by this is obviously be good at COD. It's quite self-explanatory. I don't really know how to explain it. And the last one for the streamers is preferably be able to stream for Stream Key, as this is a lot more beneficial for us and it's just a lot more helpful. So that's it for the streamers. Now on to the designers. On to the designer requirements. So the first one is don't use templates. If we do let you in and then find out you do use templates, you will be blacklisted, as we just don't want people taking other people's work and then making it theirs. The second requirement is to make a revamp for the team. You don't have to, you can just do the other requirements, but it would be appreciated. The third one is make revamp for members. This is probably the main one that people will be doing. Make thumbnails either for us or members as well. And the last requirement, and this one is very important, take your time on your designs. It is quality over quantity, but if you do loads of designs and they are quality, it just shows that you really are grinding and really want to join Abstract. So now on to the ones that people's been waiting for, Pubstompers. So because we are multi-COD, we do have a lot of different standards for a lot of different CODs. So the first Call of Duty we're going to do is Infinite Warfare. So the Infinite Warfare standards are under 90-second deatomizers on hardcore, solo or in a 2-man. Under 100-second deatomizer strikes on core in a solo/2-man. Double/triple deats, core/ or hardcore. Doubles are in solo or 2-man, and then triples can be in a 3-man. 50 gun streaks on core or hardcore. This is solo/2-man. 135 kills non-lethal. This is solo. 155 kills lethal. That is also solo. So that is the Infinite Warfare standards. Now let's get on to the Black Ops 2 standards. So the Black Ops 2 Pubstomper standards are under 100-second nukes on core, under 90-second nukes on hardcore, 60 gun streak pluses, and double/triple nukes. So that are the requirements for Black Ops 2. Now let's get on to the requirements for Black Ops 3. So the Black Ops 3 standards are 50 gun streaks plus, solo/2-man, double/triple nukes in solo or 2-man. Anything above triple nukes can be in 3-man, 4-man, maybe 5 and 6, but that can't be like really like trapping with brekkie. That can be just normal trapping. Under 100-second nukes in hardcore in solo/2-man. Under 100-second nukes on core in solo or 2-man. And 200 plus kills in a 6-man non-brekkie trap. But you can trap with like a VMP or something like that, but no brekkie. So now let's get onto the MW3 standards. So the MW3 Pubstomper standards are under 95-second Moabs on core, solo or in a 2-man, under 80-second Moabs on hardcore in either solo or a 2-man, 55 gun streak plus, also solo or 2-man, and yet again double/triple Moabs, solo or in a 2-man. So these are the MW3 standards. So now to move on to the Advanced Warfare standards. So, the Advanced Warfare standards are under 100-second DNA bombs on core, under 90-second DNA bombs on hardcore, 60 gun streaks plus, these are all in solo/2-mans, double/triple DNA bombs, that's also solo/2-man. Anything above triple DNA bombs can be in like 3-man, 4-man, 5-man, 6-man, etc. Unique DNA. Sorry about that. DNA bombs. What we mean by unique DNA bombs is like, combat knife DNA bomb, quick scope only DNA bomb, stuff like that. So that's the Advanced Warfare standards. Now let's move on to Call of Duty Ghosts. So the Call of Duty Ghost Pubstomper standards are under 100-second chem strikes on core, either solo or 2-man. Under 90-second chem strikes on hardcore, either solo or 2-man, 55 gun streak or above, either solo or 2-man, double or triple chem strikes, which is also solo or 2-man, and if you get anything above triple chem strike, that can be in a party of 1 to 6, like any between there, and unique chem strikes. This is exactly like unique DNA bombs. It's just basically unique. So now on to the Modern Warfare 2 Pubstompers. So, the MW2 Pubstomper standards are under 100-second tactical nukes on core, under 90-second nukes on hardcore, and 50 gun streak pluses. So all of these are in solo or in a 2-man. And now onto the last slide, and this is Modern Warfare Remastered Pubstompers. And here it is, the Modern Warfare Remastered Pubstomper standards. Under 110-second vicious medals, 50 gun streaks and above, and 160 kills and above. So this is the RC. Get grinding, and I wish you all the best of luck. Peace.